Assalamualaikum and good day. I am Hania Haji Salik Haji Amin, and now we're gonna talk about quasi-experimental design. Quasi-experimental designs are studies that aims to evaluate interventions but that do not use randomization, like randomized trials. Quasi-experiments aims to demonstrate causality between an intervention and an outcome. Quasi-experimental design aims to establish a cause and effect relationship between an independent and dependent variable. It does not rely on random assignments. Instead, the subjects are assigned to groups based on non-random criteria. It is also a useful tool in situations where through experiments cannot be used for ethical or practical reasons. Quasi-experimental includes assignments but not random assignments of participants to groups. This is because the experimenter cannot artificially create groups for the experiment. For example, studying a new math program may require using existing 4th grade classes and designating one as the experimental group and one as a control group. Randomly assigning students to the two groups would disrupt classroom learning because educators often use intact groups like schools, college, or school districts in experiments. Experimental designs are frequently used. Returning to table 10.3, we can apply the pre- and post-test design approach to a quasi-experimental design. The researcher assigns intact group the experimental and control treatments, administers a pre-test to both groups, conduct experimental treatment activities with the experimental group only, and then administers a post-test to assess the difference between the two groups. A variation on this approach, similar to the through experiment, uses only a post-test in the design.